Paper wallets, private keys, cold storage, these are just some of the terms that often get thrown at you when you start to dive into the world of crypto wallets. This can be confusing if you're new to crypto, which is why I'm going to break it down into 3 simple concepts for you. I'm Jen, senior editor at Finder, and over the next few minutes, you're going to form strong opinions on crypto wallets and know how to choose the right fit for yourself. The 3 main concepts we'll cover in this video are keys, storage types, and trade-offs. Simple enough, right? Let's start with keys. We're talking about private keys and public keys, not the keys to your house. However, since most people are familiar with houses, let's use that to explain how crypto keys work. A crypto wallet has a public key. Think of this as the address to your house, 123 Finder Street. A crypto wallet also has a private key. This can be represented by the literal key you use to unlock the deadbolt at 123 Finder Street. So although everyone knows where you live, 123 Finder Street, no one can get into your house. This means I can send you a piece of mail, which represents some crypto, and only you can access it with your private house key. And just like you wouldn't let someone duplicate your house key, you need to keep your crypto wallet private keys as safe as possible. Pop quiz. Your public key is like your address. Yep. And your private key is like a key to your house. You've got it down. Now let's chat about security. In crypto wallets, security is overall dependent on the concept of storage, specifically cold and hot storage. This is just a nerdy way of saying whether or not something is connected to the internet. Just like you might hear an electrician say that a wire is hot because it's connected to electricity, a similar naming schema is applied to crypto wallets. The electrician says, "Don't touch, that wire is hot," because she knows it's connected to electricity. While I would say, "Don't trust your private keys to that wallet, it's hot," because I know it's connected to the internet. Whether a wallet is hot or cold is a way we quickly break down security, as things not connected to the internet are inherently more secure than things that are connected. Think about your house at 123 Finder Street for a second. Which is safer, using a physical key to open the deadbolt or controlling your locks through your Wi-Fi? Cold wallets encompass offline storage, like paper wallets and a handful of hardware wallets. Hot wallets include mobile wallets and desktop wallets, or any other type of software that connects to the internet and has access to both your private and public keys. Wallets store your crypto, which makes how you use your crypto a good way to determine your wallet needs. This brings us to trade-offs. Crypto wallets have trade-offs, as many things do in life. Your house at 123 Finder Street would be safest if the front door was a bank vault that took 30 minutes to unlock, right? Of course. But that's not convenient when you're going in and out frequently. That same goes for crypto wallets. You need to balance security against ease of use to minimize the possibility for user error. Just like you're probably comfortable having a weaker lock on your shed than your house, I recommend using different wallets for different purposes when storing your crypto. Paper wallets, literally writing down your private key, are one of the safest options, but they have a high possibility for user error and are time-consuming every time you want to use them. While software wallets are super easy to use, but are far, far less secure. So to answer your million-dollar question, how do you pick the right wallet? You visit our guide over at finder.com, linked below, as a place to start doing your own research. Then you pick one or more wallets based on your balance of security and ease of use. My colleague at Finder, and our crypto expert, uses a combination of paper wallets, software wallets, on-exchange cold storage, and a hardware wallet to store his crypto. But everyone's needs are different. As always, if you got questions, please drop us a comment and we'll see how we can help. And if you feel like you're on the path to becoming an expert thanks to our video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content from Finder.